Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today you can see the how to use ME2S tcode in SAP MM against service work order. In this you can see the inter quantity, accepted quantity and remaining balance invoice quantity. You can see using this tcode. First upon type the ME2S in text box. Type the tcode ME2S in text box. After entering the ME2S, enter, and you will see the table format details. In this PO, enter the purchase order number here. After entering purchase order, execute this window. You will get this type of table formatted details. In this PO, total four line item are showing, and you can see what is the provisional amount, total amount, against how many amount are booked in against invoice, how many amount is balance, and how many amount is accepted in system. You can see all the details, and you will using this details you can done your next ML81 service entry sheet against this purchase order. And this is mainly this code is mainly using for check the entered quantity, accepted quantity, invoice quantity.